Salutations, fellow six stringers. I'm going to try to do an instructional thing, my first attempt here, talking a little bit about chord progressions, playing over chord progressions, the modes as they relate to the chords in a progression that you'd be using to play over the chord changes, and the uniqueness or character of each mode that you're going to kind of want to bring out in your playing to, I guess, outline that particular chord when you're improvising over it. The chord progression I'm going to use is in the key of C. First part of it's going to be a 4-2-6. Second part of it is going to be a 4-2 with a dominant third chord. Okay, so what does that mean? Basically, key of C, first part of the progression, your fourth chord in the key of C major is an F major chord. Second chord is a D minor chord. The sixth chord is an A minor chord. Once again, the fourth is an F, second is a D minor, and a dominant third is an E dominant 7 chord. Okay, so the modes that relate to the individual chords of this progression, first part of it here is the Lydian mode. Okay, and what's unique about the Lydian mode when we're going to be outlining that F in that progression? Well, it's basically a major scale with a sharp 4. Okay, it's augmented fourth. It's got that sharp 4 in it. That's going to give it its unique flavor or character. And at least in my ear, whenever I hear Lydian being played, I hear the Meet George Jetson theme song going on. Anyways, that's what we're going to look to outline that particular chord with. Second chord in the progression is a D minor, which is the Dorian mode, or the second interval of the key of C major. Okay, so what's unique about Dorian? Well, it has a major 6. Okay, it's a minor mode, except for that it has a major or a sharp 6 in it. Okay, in this case it's going to be the B note, and it's going to give the Dorian that unique kind of blues singer kind of tonality to it. Okay, the A minor is the Aeolian mode, and that's our natural minor mode. Anyone familiar with rock, heavy metal, anything like that has heard the Aeolian mode played ad nauseum. The natural minor keynotes are always going to be your triad, your root, third, and fifth, but in my ear what really gives it that flavor is that minor third, which is kind of the hallmark of that particular mode. Once again, we have the 4 and the 2, the Lydian with the sharp 4, and the Dorian with the major 6. And then we got this funky little chord over here, which is the third tone, or the dominant chord, the E dominant 7. Normally your third tone in the key of C is going to be the Phrygian mode, E Phrygian. But since we're making this a dominant chord, we have to alter the Phrygian to a Phrygian dominant, okay, which gives it that snake charmer, neoclassical, Yngwie-ish kind of twist to it. So the Phrygian mode is a minor mode, but unlike the A minor, it has a minor second. So it's got that half step from the first to second interval in the key of E. That's your E and your F, okay? It gives it the unique sound. But in this case, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the dominant form of Phrygian, and that is your major third. We're going out of key here. Don't want to get too much into that, but I'll be playing a G sharp instead of the normal G in this particular mode, because we're outlining the chord. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it here and then come back with an actual example.